Blog graphics.
What are they and why do you need them? Hi, we're Sam
And Tilly.
and we're from Firewave, and in this Whiteboard Wednesday I've dragged Tilly in because this is actually Tilly's job here at Firewave. What do you do, Tilly?
I am the content manager here at Firewave, so I manage the content creation and the distribution of everything that we create.
So we create lots and lots of words for our Firewave clients,
Yes.
which is things like the blogs, the mini blogs, the Facebook live script, the email, the letters, all that stuff.
Lots of copy.
And lots of copy, but it all needs pretty pictures, doesn't it?
Yes.
So these are the kind of pretty pictures that that Tilly creates for you when you're a Firewave member. Now, well, with the graphic designer, obviously. So this is a picture of a house, and what we would do is, this is the heading here of the main blog image. Can they see? Maybe
I don't know. Top
There you
5 pro styling tips.
Top 5
Yes,
clothes styling tips. We've got our picture of our house, which is one of our beautiful homes here at Ashdown Jones. Usually it's an internal image, so you can't see whether it's stone built, brick built, terrace, mansion, etc. But then what we do is the graphic designer will place this title on the image, and that's what we call a blog graphic, and it looks much more compelling than it just being just the words on a plain image or just the image with no words on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And we've got a very set way of doing it, so to make sure that if you have a local competitor, you can see them whether they're trying to copy you by the kind of style that they put around their blog graphics.
Yeah. Do you want me to go into the style?
Briefly.
It's a bit technical.
Not
But we
too
just,
technical.
yeah, we won't go too technical, but mainly, like Sam said, we use a lot of internals. We do think that internals are more compelling anyway than just like the outside of the home, because it is. People are interested in what your home looks like more on the inside.
Yeah, it's like the behind the scenes. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
exactly.
And also, if it's like a mansion and they've got a terrace or vice versa, they're not going to connect with something that's the wrong size.
Yeah, it's a good way to not build a
Barrier.
yeah, that's it. The
Between
right
you.
word, the barrier already. But 80% of people do actually take in visual information a lot quicker than audio or written as well. So you do absolutely need graphics for everything. And it's just a really simple way to promote it, just by putting the title of the blog on it. But we also do a lot of other ones as well. So this is about getting the content to go further, I guess, with different graphics. So the square one we actually use for Instagram. You can use it for all platforms, though. It's just that Instagram prefers square. So that's what we'd use it for. And then there are cover arts.
What's a cover art?
So a cover art is just a big, like, rectangle-shaped image that goes either just to the side of your profile image on, for example, your Facebook page, or if you're doing LinkedIn and Twitter, which we also do as well, it just appears just above and then to the right of the profile image. So we like to put, again, just a longer, different shaped version of the main graphic as well, so that's another way to promote it.
So it all ties in, it all looks the same style,
Yeah.
and it all looks beautiful, and it's all obvious it's you, but we have to have different measurements for different, in fact every single cover art's got different dimensions.
It has, yeah. It's a little bit technical, but we do that for you, so, you know,
Exactly.
make it easy for you. And then the LinkedIn article header as well. So we do, all of our content does revolve around one main blog, and then we kind of think of different ways to repurpose that. But LinkedIn actually have their own versions of blogs, so they call them articles on there. They also need a different size header image, so that's also a great way to promote your LinkedIn and like build it out.
Why can't it just all be the same size?
I know.
Actually, we get out of jobs,
Make
there's
my
no
job
point.
so much easier, honestly.
What's a tip graphic?
So a tip graphic, we kind of call them social graphics as well now. It's just a little square image with an actionable tip that's relevant to what the blog is about, the content topic.
So we've got top 5 pro styling tips.
Cool.
So how would you use that?
The last one I said as well was a rug, didn't I? I know. Very rug. What's a tip?
So a tip could be, for example, light candles just before a viewing. That's a
Yeah.
pro styling tip, or before photography. And
Yeah.
so it will say that with a picture of a candle on the image. So you can literally just pop that on your social. We even give you the caption to go with
Bit of
it.
intro text.
Yeah, the intro text. So you pop it on your social and it does the work for you because you can see straight away what it's actually trying to say. And that's really all the things that you need. So if you're going to DIY this, and well, it's probably going to be about 35, 40 hours a month, which is at least what we spend on it, yeah? Then this is what you need to do. You need to have your main blog, you need to have a mini blog in order to get people back to the main blog, which will be sitting on your website. You need to create a LinkedIn article from your main blog. You need to have your tip graphics from your, whatever your title is that month. If you've called it 36 ways to sell your house, you better be ready to do 36 different graphics. We keep our numbers normally below 10. And then you need to create all these beautiful graphics in order to be able to promote this fantastic blog that you've written. So it doesn't just dwindle and disappear into the ethernet. It actually spends a month of getting the maximum exposure, and that's what all our blogs are designed to do. You can even use, let's say you had a month of how to sell in September, and then you've got the previous 3 Septembers, you could actually do each one for one week that month. So it looked like you've got tons of content going out. Because it's probably about 15 different pieces of content here, isn't it?
Yeah. There's about 18
pieces.
that we do,
Yeah, so you need to be ready for that. So don't write a fantastic blog and then let it just die. Make sure you're amplifying it by using these kind of graphics. And this is the kind of stuff we give to our Firewood members. So if you didn't want to DIY it, you actually want us to do it for you. And your area is available, which would be a bit of a miracle because we have sold nearly 100 areas and there's only about 160, I think, in the UK. Then they need to go here, don't they?
Yes.
Read it out to them.
www.fire-wave.co.uk/start.
Now, if they do that, is any money going to be taken off them at that point?
No. It's purely to browse what we could do for you and how we could help you grow your agency with the content. We also do lots of other things like sales letters.
We do, and social media.
What we're talking about.
But content's what we're talking about today on this Whiteboard Wednesday. So if you go to start, just register your interest. Somebody from our amazing team, might even be the Tilster herself, will be on the phone to you and explain what Firewave's all about. We'll find out what you're all about, and let's just see if we're a good fit. So thanks very much for watching this Whiteboard Wednesday with me and Till. And we or I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.